as per the human brain is concerned, so it has a capacity to decode electromagnetic waves which have a wavelength of 4,000 to 7,000 angstroms. But some animals like snakes or like the bats or like the owl, they have certainly enhanced visual capacities, so they can decode the electromagnetic waves beyond the visible spectrum also. Snakes can see infrared waves also. Owls can see in the dark also. So this is the property given by the nature to them. So there exist things beyond the physical dimension, and we must understand that the physical dimension testing or the analytical brain testing is limited due to the limit of resolution or the least count of the brain. But we all know that in a human body, or in fact in any living cell, there exists something metaphysical which is beyond the physicality. You may call that as mind or soul, that is quite debatable, but certainly we know that there is something inside us which is beyond any physical law, which cannot be proved physically. So that is the mind. And it is to be noted that the physical and the metaphysical, the brain and the mind, often work as a system, and the output of a particular person or the performance of a person is because of the efficiency of that mind brain system. तो यहाँ से मेरा कहने का पर्पज़ है कि माइंड और ब्रेन दे टुगेदर एक्ट एज ए सिस्टम. तो ये मान लीजिए कोई पर्सन है, तो इसके अंदर ये जो हैं, ये जो स्टार आपको दिखाई दें, दीज आर द न्यूरॉन्स. न्यूरल फायरिंग इज ओवर देयर. तो जब हमें थॉट्स आते हैं, तो थॉट्स का मतलब ये है कि न्यूरॉन्स की फायरिंग बढ़ जाती है, बिकॉज अ थॉट इज नथिंग बट एक्सेसिंग इंफॉर्मेशन. हमारे माइंड ब्रेन सिस्टम में हमें इम्पल्स मिलता है, और उस इम्पल्स की वजह से हमारे अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन तेज़ी से ट्रांसफ़र होने लगती है, न्यूरल फायरिंग बढ़ जाती है.